Friends, last period we see Young's experiment and later on the theory of interference bands, and we find the conditions for bright and dark fringes. Now there are the points or the bright fringes at which the amplitude of the superimposing wave is twice that of the amplitude from the source S1 and S2, and as the intensity is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude, it becomes 4 times the intensity at point P becomes 4 times the intensity of the interfering wave. And therefore, and at dark fringes, the intensity of the light becomes 0. The amplitude becomes 0, and as amplitude is 0, and therefore the intensity is also 0. And at bright fringes, the intensity becomes 4 times the intensity of the original wave. Now we find the intensity distribution along different points in the interference pattern, in the steady interference pattern. Now if phi is the phase difference between two waves arriving at a point P from S1 and S2, then these two waves are represented by E1 is equal to E0 sin omega t and E2 is equal to E0 sin of omega t plus phi. That means phi is the phase difference between two waves arriving at a point P from S1 and S2. The equation of the resultant wave at point P is given by E is equal to sum of these two equations, that is E0 sin omega t plus E0 sin of omega t plus phi. On solving this equation, we get E is equal to twice E0 cos of phi by 2 into sin of omega t plus phi by 2, and this is the equation of the resultant wave interfering at any point P on the screen. Now the amplitude of the resultant wave is twice E0. E is equal to twice E0 cos phi by 2. Amplitude of the resultant wave is twice E0 cos of phi by 2, and as the intensity is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude, it becomes intensity I is equal to twice E0 cos phi by 2 its square. As the intensity is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude of the resultant wave, therefore the intensity of the resultant wave becomes I is equal to twice I0, 4I0 cos square phi by 2. This is the intensity at the point P. Now this intensity, when the two waves arriving at a point are interfering destructively, that is at bright fringe, the resultant intensity becomes 0. That means we can say that the bright and dark fringes are equispaced, and the intensity between these points will be varies from 0 to 4I0, and this is the intensity distribution in the theory of interference bands.